So today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube on your Steam Deck. So you can actually access YouTube and watch YouTube videos straight from the Stream Deck. Now, obviously, the first thing you need to ensure is that you have active internet connection. And then once you do that, make sure you have a browser on your Steam Deck. Now, I've done a whole separate video, which I'll link down below, on how to install Google Chrome on your Steam Deck and how to make it available on game mode. So you don't have to go into desktop mode to access Chrome. You can simply access it from the game mode. Now, if you want, you can pause this video right here. Go ahead and watch that video first. And then once you watch that, you'll now be able to have a browser, either Chrome, Firefox, or Edge on Steam Deck in the game mode. So go ahead and launch your browser. Just launch it like a game, press play, and then go to the address bar, and to bring up the keyboard, press Steam plus X, and then type youtube.com. And then press enter or simply select from these suggestions. And that takes you to YouTube, and it's a very familiar YouTube page. It's actually the web interface of YouTube. So if you want to, also you can go ahead and sign into your account and then use YouTube. So you can use the touch screen to scroll, select a video you want to watch, tap on it, it's gonna open. It's pretty much straightforward. And that's basically how you can use or watch YouTube videos using Steam Deck. You can even put it in full screen if you want to. Just tap on full screen and you can watch videos in full screen like that. And that's it. That's basically how to use YouTube. If you want to comment, again, simply put your cursor there, and then obviously you need to sign in. But every time you want to bring up the keyboard, it's Steam plus X to bring up the keyboard, and you can type in comments, you can like videos, all that stuff. All right. Thanks for watching, and good luck.